Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, I'm here back again with a fantastic project Bitcoin. So it's a 100x potential meme coin. So before starting the review, see a small disclaimer, I'm not your financial advisor. So guys, I'm telling 5 reasons to watch out the Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin is a extraordinary surge up to 8,000% on its first day listing on MEX exchange, highlighted its potential rapid growth and investor interest. Such a remarkable performance right out the gate is a clear indicator of popularity and excitement generates among investors. The first reason is when this project listed on MEX, the growth is 8,000%. The second is no small feat of any cryptocurrency. Let's Alana meme coin. The milestone not only placed Bitcoin in the top of Polygon based meme coin, the number of holders, but also showcase its a widespread acceptance and potential for future growth. The large community based invested and the strong support and behalf the coin of value and mission. So this is the second thing. The third thing is being a based of Polygon network is a scientific advantage of Bitcoin. Polygon now for a matic and now for a accessibility, low transaction fee and a fast transaction speed. This feature is Bitcoin transaction efficiency, cost effective, appealing to the broader range user and investor who are looking at alternatives to high cost show ever speed of some other blockchain networks. The fourth thing is a little big, dream big, and I aim to grow alongside its a community. It's not a just cryptocurrency but is a movement community focused approach, fostered strong and the united base of supporters. It's a united base supporter. It's a very amazing thing and who are aligned with the coin vision objectives such as solid community foundation. This is a very solid community and foundation and success and accessibility meme coin. And the approach to the meme coin, unlike many meme coins that rally solely in the hype without substance, Bitcoin appears to building its a value proposition to tangible goal, a community growth. It's a rapid adaptation, scientific and listing achievement, and the establishment is a clear vision and slow strategic approach at positioning itself within a cryptocurrency ecosystem. The innovative approach to could set Bitcoin apart of other meme coins, offering both novelty potential and real world impact. So it's a very amazing project, and the last and it's a very important give the reason. Bitcoin is emerging as such a notable player in the meme coin space, booked by a robust community. It's a robust community booked, promising sign growth, innovation as with any investment, especially violate cryptocurrency at a critical condition through research, considered risk before investing. So this is a 100x potential and no risk for investment in the project. So it's proving it's a 100x exponential project into 2024. So I hope you understand everything. So let's talk about other feature about this project. First of all, I am here on the homepage. You can check out Bitcoin token contract, follow on X, Twitter, chat on Telegram, info on XO white paper. So guys, they have a total supply almost 3 trillion. So it's so very big. And one more thing, when this project listed on MEX global exchange, the project price is increased 8,000%. And I also show you MEX, and MEX has also provided, you can check out. If I go to the MEX exchange, you can also check out here. If I refresh, you can check out Bitcoin and USDT prices also provided here. You can check out Bitcoin and USDT. So you can also check out the price here. So here you can see the MEX listed already. You can check out full indicator. If I scroll down, you can check out the full info and the full price prediction of the project here. And this is a white paper. You can also check out Bitcoin, the meme coin on the Polygon network. Bitcoin, the meme of Polygon. Introduction. First of all, Bitcoin emerging as a pioneering meme coin with the vibrated ecosystem on the Polygon network. A native digital currency blends up playful spirit of meme culture with the robust scalable technology on Polygon, promising a unique proposition in the cryptocurrency world. So Bitcoin is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a culture symbol that is sponsored with the growing community of meme authentics crypto adopters operating the Polygon network. And you can check out the overview here. You can see the vision, technology and use cases, economic model. If I scroll down, you can check out here market analysis and the background of Bitcoin. You can check out economic impact, meme coin and social media. So you can check out concept and vision. What is concept of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a represent a growth breaking venture. It's a word of cryptocurrency bleeding the light hearted apple of meme culture with the robust funds functionality or blockchain technology at its core. Bitcoin is a more than just a digital asset. It's a symbol of community humor and the new era of internet driven financial innovation. So you can check out the vision of future. If I scroll down, you can check out technical structures, use cases. You can also see the use cases, this economic model and token distribution. For the token distribution, you can check out here the token symbol, supply and election. Here Bitcoin has a fixed supply which migrated inflation pressure and pressure over the time at election to token the structure followers. Bitcoin is issued by with the maximum supply of 3 trillion. They have, you can check out Polygon T app 30%, allow token to check out content creators 25%, airdrop 20%, operators 15%, and the partnership is just 10%. You can also check out development roadmap and the future plan. Here you can see the roadmap: phase 1 launch and establishment, phase 2 expansion and growth, phase 3 ecosystem development, and phase 4 global adoption and innovation. Long-term vision, this is the main thing of this project. You can also check out they have future plan, and everything in the past is also provided here. You can check out the consolidation and the disclaimer about this project. So I hope you understand everything. So guys, first of all, I am here on a Polygon scan. Overview: total supply 3 trillion holder. You can also check out the holder price and the last transaction, buy, sell, transfer, swap, everything provided here. You can also see the full information about this project. And I'm here again on the CoinGecko. You can also check out on this project already listed on CoinGecko, and I already told it it's a 100x potential, and I already give 5 reasons to buy this project and hold in this project in cryptocurrency. So you can check out fully related with market cap, total supply 3 trillion. This is the and contact address, add to MetaMask, and they add to MetaMask, and simply click on add to MetaMask. You can add this token here MetaMask, and Explorer, Polygon scan, community. Twitter is also provided. If I open the Twitter here, and I open the Twitter, and then I click on the Twitter. After clicking the Twitter, you can also check out they have a lot of followers on Twitter account, and here you can see the profile is opening. So let's see. Simply you need to just click on follow. This is the Telegram channel. You can also follow on Telegram channel, Twitter account. So it's a very easy method. You can also check out price chart on the CoinGecko. So it's a very 100x potential project. So guys, you can also see here I am already following this project, and they have 8k plus followers on Twitter account. You can also check out full information about the project here, and they're giving regular update on their Twitter account. And here you can see that this is the Telegram group. You can also follow the Telegram group, and here you can see that Discord server. You need to just enter your display name, then click on continue, and here you can see the Bitcoin community. You can also click on view on Telegram, and this is the CoinGecko, and here you can see that Twitter account is also provided. You can also check out many influencers promoted this project because it's a 100x potential project, and you can check out the Bitcoin Polygon scan, and this is a token contract with 18 symbols. So how to buy? You can also check out. I go to the MEX exchange. After going and guys, here you can see that I'm here on the Gecko terminal. You can also check out the price here. If you want to buy, you simply click on swap, and after clicking the swap, Uniswap will be open. So let's talk about the price indicator. You can also use the indicator. You can also check out the latest buy and sell about this project. So some user is selling and some is buying, because I am never recommend you for selling, but if you want to buy this project at your own risk and invest always at your own risk. After I tell something, if you want to buy this project, then you can hold this project because it's a very good project, and I also buy this project soon. So first of all, how to buy? Simply you need to click on swap option. I provide all the video links in my video description. You need to just click on the video title, and then the description will be open, and you can see all the links provided here. So you can check out the liquidity is also provided, 24 volume, age 2 month, and FDV 140 market cap, and buy and sell. You can also check out the information here. Website link, Discord, Telegram, and Excel is also provided here. So first of all, click the token and then enter your address here, then click on no result found, then you need to click add token here. First of all, you need to connect your wallet like MetaMask, which wallet you using, Then enter your wallet address here. After entering your address, then enter your password here. So I am entering my password. After entering my password, and my wallet will be successfully connected. So I just click on the unlock option and the MetaMask. I click on next, then I click on connect, and the connecting has been successful. So yeah, I click on the buy option. After clicking the buy, you can swap here. You need to select token. After clicking the select token, then enter your here and then click on not result found, because I'm after rating you need to exchange your BNB, Calo and Polygon, and simply you need to click on Polygon. After clicking the Polygon, and then select your enter your MetaMask password again, and then you need to click on approve option. After clicking the I click on got it, and after clicking the got it, so and your token will be successfully added to. I click on understand, and here you can see the pig has been successfully. You need to connect Polygon network. After this token will be added, so select token which with you are buying. If I enter USDT Polygon, and if I buy with the 50 USDT, like something, you will be get token like 1 lakh. You can check out. If I buy with the $1, I will be get like token. You can also see the full price insufficiency. I will be get 20,000 plus token with 1 USDT. Then I don't have any balance. After when you have balance, you need to just click on approve option, and your token will be successfully pouted. This is very easy method to buy this project. I recommend you for investment, but at your own risk, do your own research. This is my personal opinion I share with you, and I already told 5 reasons about this project for buying this project, how to buy, and the price indicator. This project already increased 8,000% in when he listed the project on the MEX exchange. So thanks for watching. Have a